Hi again, welcome back to the channel. New surroundings as I've just moved into a new place and I'm super busy doing it up. So anyway, first things first, it's an unboxing. Now to be fair, I have actually unboxed this already because I had a guy come round to show me the watch and see if I was happy with it. And to be fair, it's lovely. As we can tell, it is a Seiko and it is a used watch. I'm several years late to the party. Now we've got our instruction book, we've got warranty card in the back. Now, can we guess what it is? Obviously, it's a Seiko, but there we are, the Saab. Now, this is one of those watches, if you'd have asked me a few years ago, would I buy a watch like this? I'd have probably said, no, it's not really my cup of tea. But now I'm starting to kind of go away a lot also from the sort of like dive watches and everything to more classier, kind of cooler looking, I think, classier watches, sorry. And this, I think, is an absolute star. Let's have a quick zoom in on that. I think that is lovely. So my first impressions, I watched a load of like internet photos, videos, having a look at it and see what I think. Oh, I just really fancy one. And these are becoming extremely desirable. So it's one of these. I thought, well, you pay a little premium, it's true, but if I get one now, I've got one. And it's always nice to have a non-black dial in the collection. So anyway, let's quickly see it on the wrist. So, quick wrist check. I'm wearing a Sinn 556A. I don't even think it's sized up for me at all. No, it's too big. That's all right. Bracelet, I've got to take a link also out of that. But I must say, it is really nice. I love the detail of the dial. I love the crispness of it. It just feels really nice. So no, as you've told, the last few watches I've had have also been a 38mm watch, and this one is as well. So I don't know if I'm sort of like enjoying now smaller watches. I seem to be. So anyway, yeah, I've got to check. The guy said it, I think he said it was running about plus 10 seconds or plus 15, so I'll probably regulate that at some point when I've got time. But anyway, just a quick, very quick unboxing so you got an idea of my latest watch, and I'll try and get a review of this out in the next few weeks whenever I've got time from knocking down walls and bits like that. So again, all the best, hope you enjoyed, and I will see you at a proper review. Bye, stay safe.